What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode. Every Friday here on the Atkins Investing channel, we're going to be doing a video, and we're going to start out small and we're going to work our way up. So on this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to buy. So you're going to buy your stock on here, and I was going to go ahead and do the sell too on here, but I'm just going to take it one step at a time. So once you have created your Robinhood account, you won't have anything over here if you own stocks or options. They're two different things, but we're just going to go with stocks. So say that you want to buy, everybody knows Apple, okay? So we're going to go to Apple. You type in Apple up there. Apple's ticker symbol is AAPL. That's their ticker symbol. So the ticker symbol is what's abbreviated. This right here is called the ticker symbol. That is what is abbreviated for the stock. And every stock has their own ticker symbol. So this is Apple's right here. And so if you want to buy Apple, you're going to go right here. You're going to do either dollars or shares. So say you just wanted a dollar amount. Say you just wanted to buy $2 worth of Apple. You'll type in $2. It'll put 0.043 of a stock. So say you wanted to buy $10 worth of Apple. Say that's all you had to start with. And then there's $10. Okay, say you had $100. We'll go ahead and add another zero. Zero. Okay, now, look. Alright, you will click Review Order. Once you review your order, it will ask you to buy, or you can edit and change it again, okay? So, buy. Look, if you buy it, there you go. Okay, so if you own the stock, I'm going to go ahead and tell you how to sell it as well. You will type in Apple again, go back to here, it's going to say sell right here. You'll be able to click sell, you can click sell, and then you'll type in the amount you want to sell. And you'll be able to see right around here somewhere in this area, underneath these one day, 1 week, 1 month, in here will tell you how much you own of the company, okay? So I'll do another video on that next week on how to sell, but now that you know how to buy, you can also do in the share amount as well. You know, so if you just want to do, if you had 2 shares, that's $918, and then you review the order, and bam. See what I mean? Okay. So, yeah, there we go. And if you watched last week's episode on Friday, you've seen my account. I recorded this video right after that, and I'm going to record a lot of videos here today, and then I'm going to have them come out every Friday, so there'll be something new, and it'll keep the algorithm going and keep my account, you know, it'll look consistent. The algorithm will like it. But at the end of the day, it went from $9.49 all the way up to like $1,000. So it's up $33 today. It's pretty good. So yeah, I'm dealing in options here. You're probably here to look on how to buy a stock. This is a completely different thing, but I'll slowly work up episode to episode and teach you about options. If you want to know, if you know a little bit more about stocks than just the beginning of like buying and selling and stuff, you can go to my first video, or my video last week on Friday, and you can check that out, and I'll tell you. We'll eventually get into the beta and theta, the Greeks, all that, and I'll tell you exactly how that, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the volume, the volatility, the bears, the bulls, all that stuff. We're going to talk about it. But anyways, I hope I'll see you guys next week on Friday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.